Ganun pala yung buhay. Akala mo magtabi-tabi kayo pag nahinga sa kamatayan, hindi pala. The baby boy was the one who found his daddy. Where's daddy? So high. What the heck, where? Oh my gosh. And I remember it was just right over like that. How come it went up? My goodness. Andun po, oh. Guys, it's a Memorial Day at pupunta po kami, pipick-upin namin ang mother-in-law ko. Pero tingnan nyo, oh, may araw. Sabi kasi sa weather, may araw. Pero chinek ko yung weather bureau. 12 o'clock hanggang 5 o'clock uulan. Tingnan natin kung totoo ang pinagsasabi nila. So, ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo nung pinakita ko yung video ng aking garden. Ito wala pong bulaklak. Konti lang kasi gusto ko talaga siyang paputulin. Pero tingnan nyo, dumami bulaklak ko. Parang narinig ako. Oh, at saka yung isa pa doon. You know, yung isa. Daming bulaklak. Ito, gaya na sinabi ko, ito po ang azalea. Cheng. Dami po, no? Tingnan nyo itsura niya, oh. Itsura ng azalea. Ito yung tinasabi lang, pangalan mo is azalea. Pero sa Amerika, yung bulaklak, ang ibig sabihin nito is azalea. Ingay ang aking sasakyan dahil hindi pa nilalagay ni Habi ang kanyang... Honey, don't forget to put your seatbelt on. It's so cold. So anyway, we're going to pick up my mother-in-law. We're going to the cemetery. And it's so quiet today. Maybe people are in their memorial getaway. Or some people are just stayed home and they'll have their own barbecue. Are we gonna eat outside? What do you think? Where are we?
After we're at the funeral.
Okay. Cemetery, honey. We're gonna go to the cemetery. I'll show you how a cemetery looks like here. To the left.
I want you to look to the left out the window. See that green?
Okay, let me just stop.
You just find out. Because
Okay.
I have to walk around the baby cemetery to find out.
So this is where we're gonna go with Dad?
That's where they're at. They're in there.
In this building?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
And we just
I have to go find a way where we
You can
can
park right.
park. See, maybe that's your relative, Mom.
I would be a bit surprised if I ran into
Okay, this is where we're gonna go. We're gonna visit Dad here. Mommy can go now. Dito po ang kailang sementeryo. Nandiyan po ang aking father-in-law. So pupunta kami sa sementeryo. Kanina pumasok, hindi ko alam kung na.
Are you gonna walk your car?
Yes, I will. Starting to rain. Di ba nalala nyo, kanina sabi ko uulan. 12 o'clock. Hinahanap namin ngayon na aking biyanan. Ito po yung kanilang Martonic. Almost Uy, mukhang mga Italian. Calucci, Minorchio. Ito medyo German to. Ito medyo Italian tong truco. Tissot. Ano yan? Wasser. We're looking for my father-in-law. I remember, Mom, Dad is like this. Ito po yung kanilang sementeryo. Ito. At ang aking biyanan, hinahanap ang asawa niya. May church sila dito. Okay? So, hinahanap namin po ang aking father-in-law. May mga bakante. Sobra. Paano ka makakapunta doon? Grabe. Meron po sila nakalagay na bulaklak. Oh. Wala akong nakikita Pilipino. I don't see any Filipino last name. Ito, Chervonic. Ano yun? I know that is somewhere you have to go enter. Like an alley.
Everything is just changed around here. It's just almost impossible to find anything.
Okay, we'll start with this in this alley. So we're gonna go.
This is all eliminated. They're not here.
So maybe we'll go. What I remember. Oh, there's still somewhere here. Oh, there is one. There is another one here. Room. Can you go there? I'm gonna go find Dad. Hinahanap po namin ang tatay. biyanan kong lalaki. Kailan ba namatay? Biyanan kong lalaki. 2006 yata. Ay, when? Kaya naman pala eh. May 2006 siya namatay. Alam ko na, remember ko dito lang banda. Tinanapin ko ha. Hanapin ko si Dad. Tingnan niyo po, meron pa po dito. Dapat mag-isa-isa tayo. Habang hinahanap. Isa-isa, gemo. Ganyan po ang ano namin. Dami pa lang naman tayo dito, no? Alam niyo ba, every other day, every week, napapadaan ako sa sementeryo na ito. Dito kaya? Saan kaya si father-in-law? Meron din kasi dito rin ang, grabe, wala. Hanapin ko. Dito pa kami, hanggang ngayon hindi po namin makita ang biyanan ko. Ano ba yan? Bakit parang, kasi kailangan pumunta ang mother-in-law ko sa ano, sa cemetery, yung sa nakatago yung mga ano. Wala eh, hindi po naikot namin. Hindi lang pala kami, meron pa isa doon. Dadalaw sila sa cemetery kasi dito po talagang yes, honey? Hindi pa rin namin nakikita. Your dad is here? Oh, finally, nakita yata nila. Nakita na ng asawa ko ang aking biyanan. Dad? Where? The baby boy was the one who found his daddy. Where's daddy? So high. What the heck, where? Oh my gosh. And I remember it was just right over like that. How come it went up? My goodness. Andun po, oh. May 20, 2006, 20 years ago. Timothy J. Dito sa kasakanan ay sa biyanan ko. Did you tell your mom?
I tried to, but she was.
Job, you found your daddy. You found your dad. And we've been here. I've been looking on this, the second and third. My gosh. How can we put it's just right over there. He's up there. You know, maybe there's no flowers. Eh, kasi tingnan niyo ito, marami mga bulaklak. May na mga bulaklak dyan. I know. I remember when we put him to rest, it was on just like that. Ewan kung bakit napunta siya doon sa taas-taas. Imagine, hindi namin makikita. Magre-reklamo na naman ang biyanan ko. For sure. Eto na po. Hanapin ko sa biyanan ko. Magre-restroom. Alam niyo po, umulan na. Tama-tama. Pero sabi ko sa inyo, 12 o'clock yung ulan. Eh, hindi pa po nagto-12 o'clock. Mom, we found Dad.
Really?
Yeah, you know where?
No.
When we had Dad, it was just on that one, right? He was way over on the top.
I'll be done.
That's why we don't see him.
Okay.
Okay.
Lead the way.
Go to Lens is over there.
Oh.
So nakita namin po ang biyanan ko. Kaya lang, nagtaka kami. Maybe because he has no flower. And we can even put the flower on Dad's because it's way up.
I know.
Ayan, hindi kasi hindi na binibisita kasi yung biyanan kong lalaki. Kaya ayan.
Oh my God.
Did you see that, Mom?
Oh my God. I gotta sit down a minute.
It's already raining, Mom.
I know.
Put your hood on. Put your hood on, Mom. No, Mom has a hood. I don't even have one. I'm not in a jacket.
In the car, there's a hat.
I know. I'm gonna get that one later. I know. It's so impossible for us to put Dad's flower over there.
They have a pole.
Yeah, they did. They do. But it's too high.
Well, maybe I can.
Do they have a maintenance just like your dad did before he used to be a maintenance here?
I know.
And I know that I don't see any of your relatives who were here. Kasi nung araw, mga 1920s, yung auntie at uncle ni Mom were the one who takes care of the whole cemetery. Kaya po nakapagtrabaho dito yung tatay niya tapos biyanan ko dito naglalaro nung araw, dito siya natuto mag ng piano, natuto ano yun, basta talented ang biyanan ko. Ngayon, ang mga iba niyang kamag-anak supposed to be over here too. Nawawala. Looks like I don't see any of your relatives, Mom.
I know. It's just impossible without a map.
Yeah, that's why.
They
So I'm gonna put it here. Dad is somewhere here where there is what they call one solitary life. Yeah, one solitary life. Ito yung nandito si Dad. Grabe, no? Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, nung nilibing namin, nandito lang siya. Ngayon, siguro hindi siya dinadalaw. Ayun na. So where Uncle Ray?
I know.
There's no test here.
Well, before, when they had the other place, he was just around the corner, but
And then, what's your sister Gloria's last
she's-
name?
Oh my God, she used to be way on the other side.
Oh.
There's no way I could find her.
Lahat po ng kamag-anak ng biyanan ko, nandito, pati mga kapatid niya. Dito ho lahat nilibing. Kasi hindi naman sa pag-aari, kundi sila yung caretaker, sila yung malit lang to nung araw. Ngayon, tinan mo, ang laki-laki, oh. I don't see any of your... We can't even find them anymore.
I know, it's without a map. It's,
You know, maybe they're already up there.
they've moved
Oo.
everybody.
They move. So, the cemetery here, they move. Mabuti pa yung nanay ko na may sarili siyang mausoleo. Opo, hindi na po na namin nakikita. Isa sa mga... Dapat nga, no? Ganun pala yung buhay. Akala mo magtabi-tabi kayo pag sa kamatayan, hindi pala. Nago now.
Yeah,
Where's Lance?
I have no idea.
Oh my gosh, somebody is behind my back. So after the cemetery visit, we went to a lunch at this Denny's.
Oh yeah, it's really disappointing.
Yeah, I know it's so
But you
disappointing.
haven't gone for so long. What can you expect, you know?
I know. I hear so many stories about cemetery who owns cemetery. Because that's not a public cemetery, that's a private cemetery, the one that owns that. And, you know, one of my girlfriend owns a cemetery. Yeah, they have their own policy, and I don't know with this, and some of my friends who told us stories about if like 30 years more, and nobody is paying, they have to remove the social. So what I'm gonna have loaded potatoes for lunch. Kasi kumain po ako ng pansit para makainom ng gamot. But they're still on a breakfast. Nasa breakfast pa sila. Kasi ito pinaka-famous ang Denny's for breakfast. Gusto kong kumain na. They have T-bone steak. Oh, look at that. Sizzling skillet. In order ko, masarap po sa Denny's ang kanilang hot cocoa, yung chocolate na meron po silang, masarap po talaga. Mainit. Pero alam mo, masarap. Yun ang favorite ko dito. Wala akong pake kung mataas blood sugar ko. Mag-ano na lang ako mamaya. Hindi na. Siguro soup na lang ako mamayang gabi. Na-order ko kasi kali, Tapos yung kali sandwich ko. Kali club sandwich. Yung kaya sinabi ko sa inyo. Yung kali club sandwich nila merong roasted turkey breast, ham, apple smoked bacon, Swiss cheese, fresh avocado, mayo, lettuce, tomatoes. Masarap siya. Siguro gagawin ko ng, maybe I'll make you a Cali Club sandwich one time. But I'll remove the cheese, I'll remove the, do you like avocado? He doesn't eat avocado. Bad daddy. Bad daddy. You don't like avocado. Do you know that avocado is a fruit? It's a fruit. I'll make your avocado ice cream.
I don't think so. You have to eat that.
But I'll make it because the Cali has smoked bacon. They have chicken breast. I'll make kilawan. Mahilig po kasi ako gumawa ng sandwich para sa
I
kanya.
didn't see it on the. I went
I'm already having my lunch. Yan po lunch ko. How's your lunch? Oh wow, you got eggs, Mom.
everything is good.
You know when I order food here at Denny's, I always order the this is what they call the seasoned. Wow, you got steak, huh? Masarap po ang ketchup sa season na to pero masarap pa rin siyang ketchup. So, tikman natin po yung so this is they call the Cali Cob. The Cali Cob. Ooh, ayaw ko lang po dito ang kamatis. They got avocado here, Mama. Nagpapadami lang po kasi dito yung kamatis. Ay, kamatis. Ay, nahulog. Matamis. You know what? I'm excited, Mom.
What's that?
I have cherry tomatoes.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna have a lot of cherry tomatoes in my garden.
You know, that's the only plant that I used to get.
What's up?
And I never got any this year.
Meron siyang
I just didn't get
turkey
around. I just
breast.
didn't get around to getting it. But
Mm-hmm.
I love them because they're so convenient.
Meron siyang
Throw them in the salad or whatever.
ham. Tapos meron siyang bacon, mayonnaise, at saka cheese. Yeah, I'm gonna give you some tomato. Are you still planting some vegetable, Mom?
Yeah, any vegetable I can use.
Ah, sarap. Ay! Excuse me? Can I have Coke Zero?
Coke Zero?
Yeah, thank you. Order na ako ng order kasi sa magbabayad. Sa tagabayad. Depende. Thank you. Oh wow, look at the steak, huh?
Yeah.
So good. T-bone steak. T-bone steak. But it's like it's cooked really well. It's cooked well done. Pero, ang steak po kasi, masarap po kasi pag rare, medium rare. Kasi malambot siya. Pag well done, matigas. Unless, yung steak mo, lutuin mo ng pressure cooker na malambot na, hindi na po siya steak. Hindi gano'n lang. At saka ang steak, hindi nyo yung minamarinate. Ang steak, inirarab lang nyo sa salt, seasoned salt. So, ganyan po luto dito sa amin. Anyway, share ko lang sa inyo aming memorial escapade at saka memorial lunch. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Dumadami na po yung vlogs ko ngayon.